Okay, here's my corn. I believe it's June 6th, and it's really looking good. We tried to do a Three Sisters deal, and this one is maybe a squash, and this one is a bean. And we're going to interplant those through there like the Three Sisters so they protect and cover the berries. There's one elderberry there. Here's another elderberry. I planted these last year. This one isn't doing so good. I don't know what happened with that one. And then here's another elderberry. This one's the biggest. I can't wait to get some elderberries for all the health properties.